89% of employees say that video conferencing helps them feel more connected to their colleagues. But when you connect with your peers over video, you can easily be distracted by how you look on screen. Let's explore 7 easy ways to look and sound better while on camera. Hi, I'm Darren Lorenzi and I'm a videographer here at Roundtable Learning. Video is a powerful tool that keeps people connected. And when it comes to training, sometimes it's necessary in order to keep the program on track. Virtual instructor-led training has been growing in popularity over the past year, which means a lot more people are spending time in front of the camera. So let's take some time to learn about virtual instructor-led training and how you can look your best on camera, whether you're a facilitator or a learner. Virtual instructor-led training, also known as VILT, is when an instructor facilitates a training session over a virtual setting such as Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet. VILT can be held in several ways, from a webinar with several participants to a virtual classroom with hundreds of participants. And this was hugely popular to stay connected during the COVID-19 pandemic. If you're facilitating a training session virtually, you'll probably spend a lot of time on camera, so it's natural that you'll want to look your best. So let's review a few tips to help you feel confident and comfortable while on camera. Lighting is critical, so try positioning yourself to make sure as much light is hitting your face as possible to increase your visibility. And you can use any form of light, whether it's natural light from a window, or ring light, or even just turning the brightness up on your computer screen. Now that we have your lighting covered, our next tip is to angle your camera appropriately. First and foremost, make sure you identify where the camera is on your device. It's common for the camera to be at the center and top of your device, but sometimes that may not be the case. Once you've located your camera, we recommend keeping it an arm's length away from you and at eye level. You can achieve the right height from that by stacking your device on books or using a computer scan. Just remember, the goal is to make sure you are centered in the frame and the camera is at eye level. Another important element to consider for VILT is your background. You have 2 options, either real life or digital. For a real life background, we recommend trying to position yourself somewhere with as few distractions as possible. So that means no knickknacks, clutter, or high traffic areas. Now, most programs offer the ability to replace your background with a photo or a video. This is a great option. But we also recommend that you choose a photo or video that is simple and professional. So maybe hold off on the beach vacation theme. I always recommend sticking to solid color, non-distracted clothing. Reconsider wearing clothing items that may distract learners, including off-putting patterns that may be disorienting, colors that match your background, or graphic tees with distracting words or images. If you want to represent a brand or organization, a simple logo on the chest is the best option. Aside from how you look, it's important to pay attention to how you sound. First, you should know where the microphone is located. If you're wearing headphones, there's usually a pre-built-in microphone on them. If you're using your computer's microphone, you should test your audio to make sure your levels are balanced. Take advantage of previewing your appearance and testing your sound before your VILT commences. Popular VILT programs, including Zoom and Google Meet, allow learners to preview what they look like and how they sound before you even get in the meeting. VILT platforms offer a mute button for a reason. It's common during large group sessions and workshops for learners to stay muted for the majority of the instruction. Mute allows the learners to shut off their microphone, eliminating any noises that they may make when it's not their turn to speak. Some platforms even offer a mute option for facilitators as well, so it won't be necessary for learners to have to manually mute themselves. If you want to go the extra mile, consider investing in a webcam to help improve the quality of your video. Now, while built-in cameras work fine for most, webcams elevate the quality of your video by providing a more crisp, higher quality video. Thank you so much for watching today. If you want to read the full article or learn more about virtual instructor-led training, visit our website. The link is in the description below. If you have any questions, reach out to us at any time. And make sure you like this video and subscribe for all things training and development.